Hello and welcome back to the lab. The gold in this beaker now is chloroauric acid. It has been imported, parted from its base metals with nitric, and dissolved in aqua regia. Today we're going to pick up where we left off and finish boiling off the excess nitric acid. Let me get a read on the level in the beaker. This just helps keep track of how much is evaporated. I'll start adding heat now. The temp in my lab is 54 degrees Fahrenheit or 12 degrees C. Fume production has stopped and I've evaporated about 75 ml off the solution. I'm going to take it off the heat now and add some ice. This will help precipitate out any silver in solution. These ice cubes are made from distilled water that I keep and make in the mini fridge in the lab. All water used in the lab is distilled. The water supply for the lab is run from a livestock well and not suitable for use in the lab. One should do it. Maybe two. If I can get it. I place them in like this so they don't splash. Now we'll let this sit and cool off and set up for filtration. The solution looks really good and clear, so I'm going to start with a number 2 slow. Wet to seal. It's cool to the touch now. Center this up so you guys have the best view possible. As a side note, I should have put that glass rod to my right. I'm using the glass rod as a guide for the ice and the stream to reduce splashing. It is at this moment that I realized I was making orange juice. Pre-filter looks clear, post-filter looks like orange juice. There are some little specks I'm trying to wash down into the filter. I don't see anything wrong with the filter. Current guesses are faulty filter, contaminated Bunkner funnel, or some type of precipitant, or a combination. Cleaning the outside of the beaker where some of the solution splashed up on it. We'll pass it through the same filter again and see if it clears up any. Right here I do see a slight uplift on the edge of the filter. I don't think that's the problem, but it could be. And that is some thick stuff. And still got orange juice. Gonna filter a few more times and see if it starts to clear. If not, I'll change something. It seems like it's trying to clear. I'm going to run in for a bit and see how things settle out when I come back. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Gonna filter one more time, get a good look at the sediment that settled out, and make a plan from there. The precipitant is a white powder substance. It seems to get worse with each pass through the Buckner funnel. Either it's a large amount of silver chloride, or the Buckner funnel was not rinsed properly after being washed in tap water that is also softened with salt pellets. Here's the plan. Change the flask, change the funnel, filter again. I will need the seal, I don't have another one clean just yet. I like these plastic two-part funnels better anyway. The other funnel is porcelain. Allowing it to settle for a little bit really helped clear it up. But my suspicion is the funnel. Number 2 slow. Number 2 slow. There was still enough precipitant to clog up the filter, so I switched to a new funnel and filter. Also another new flask. You can see here just how much that last pass cleared it up. I think 1 or 2 more passes and it will be crystal clear. I've marked the flask we're going to end up in. All the filters are saved and processed at a later date. That looks good. I think we're done with this solution. It is crystal clear. Now I'm going to take this filter and filter all the other solutions with it. I'm not quite ready to mix the two solutions together. Until I'm sure of the quality and purity, I won't mix them. Put the A grade to the side for a minute, work with the B grade. This may still have a bit of that sediment left in it. Rinse it down real quick. Moving the chloroauric acid to a reaction beaker and prep for precip. And that completes the filtration of the grade B material. The grade B solution is going to be precipitated and left as a gold sponge. It will then be added to the next refining as a powder and get re-refined. Now I'll move it to a reaction beaker and prep for precip. Collect up my filters so they can be dried out and stored. Alright, this is where I think we're going to call it for the day. I've been boiling and filtering all day long. I don't think I rinsed this down. So yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Catch me on the next video. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.